Box CEO Aaron Levie joins us now in a First on CNBC interview. Very good afternoon to you, Aaron. Good to see you again.
Hey, thanks. Good to see you.
So talk us through this entering the e-signature market. I'm also interested that, following your tweets and stuff today, that this seems to be something you're going to offer for free to your existing clients. Is it already becoming kind of that commoditized, this service?
Well, actually, I don't think about it as being commoditized as much as our strategy at Box is we want the end-to-end platform for helping customers power all of their workflows around content. So that's everything from ingesting files to being able to collaborate on data, to being able to secure that content, and then ultimately drive mission-critical workflows around the critical content in an enterprise. And so for us, e-signature capabilities are just a really important pillar of that full journey that content goes through in a business process. So as we saw in 2020, customers all around the world were calling us saying, hey, we want to be able to go and automate and streamline our digital workflows, and e-signature capabilities are an important part of that. So that's why we decided to actually include this functionality in our business subscriptions and bring this the value of Box Sign to over 100,000 customers globally.
Do you think that there will soon be lots of companies offering the same service as opposed to the way that the moment we all use DocuSign or perhaps one or two others?
Well, I think Box probably plays a unique role in the market where we are already the content cloud for over 100,000 customers. So we are the platform where companies are managing their most critical documents and mission-critical data in their enterprise. So I think it's a fairly unique situation for us to be able to include this within our Box subscription plans. And I don't necessarily think that will be a broader trend in the market, but obviously remains to be seen. But certainly for Box, we wanted to enter this space and be able to add way more value to our customers to help them really begin to streamline more and more of their digital workflows in the cloud.
I'm just looking at a stock chart, Aaron, of your company, Box. Over the last year, it's really not done much and is lower over the last 12 months. If you look at so many other cloud stocks, technology, software as a service stocks, they're all higher. They've all boomed as a result of the work from home, the stay at home, the move into cloud. Why hasn't yours?
Well, we have seen, I think, a healthy amount of growth throughout the past year. We did experience some headwinds in some parts of our business. The small business segment that we serve certainly was dealing with some of the real challenges of COVID, especially in the first 2 quarters of last year. We also mentioned on our last earnings call that our professional services revenue, this is really our consulting business where we help customers deploy Box, that actually had lower revenue because we saw more of our revenue coming in from existing customers that were expanding their existing usage of the product. And so they weren't requiring the same level of professional services. So, I think we're certainly happy about the performance and the growth that we saw over the past year, but we know that there's way more potential in bringing Box to even more customers and being able to expand even more broadly within the customers that we already have. And that's what products like Box Sign are all about, and ultimately building out this vision of being the content cloud for our customers and powering the end-to-end workflows for their content management.
I was wondering, Aaron, what your take was on the leadership transition at Amazon, and if you see it as a sort of another big vote of confidence in cloud more broadly. We've seen some cloud leaders take over at a number of these big tech companies now.
Yeah, I think at this point, we probably don't need that much more endorsement for the industry. This is certainly the computing paradigm of the future. There's no question that we're certainly not going back from cloud computing. But Andy Jassy is an incredible leader. He's built an amazing business at AWS. He's a great partner of the startup and technology ecosystem. So I think he was probably a fantastic choice to run Amazon, irrespective of running the AWS business. But it also clearly is a testament to how powerful cloud has become at Amazon and how important they see that in the future of their business.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.